Hey, this video tutorial for your website. We are going to learn how to create links. We're going to learn how to create links up here in the menu bar. If you have a link that you want to connect to, like your Facebook page or Twitter feed, or even a link to another ministry or a site that you really like, you can create a menu item for that link to those items. We have 3 different links up here. We have a Twitter feed, like a store that's not a part of the site, but that the client would like to, the church would like to link to, and here's also a Facebook page. So what I want to do, I want to be able to link these 3 things to this church website. Since there's 3 of them, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a menu item here that says links, and then when somebody hovers their mouse over top of it, there will be a drop down. So they'll underneath the drop down there will be Twitter, Facebook, and then bookstore, and those will link to these 3 things up here. So the first thing that we're going to have to do is we're going to have to create that menu item that says links. And that links menu item, it's actually not linked to anything. It's just going to be the parent item for those 3 drop down menus. So that's the very first thing I'm going to do. To do that, I'm going to the back end of the site. Here I am at the control panel. I'm going to go to menus, and virtually every single time you're going to go to the menu with a little house on it here. And again, just to reiterate one more time, we're going to create the links menu item right here. That will be the parent item for the other 3. Back to our menu item. Here I am at the menu manager. To create something new here, I'm going to go and click new. The menu item type for this one will be it'll be called a set. I'm going to scroll down to system links on the bottom. Scroll down some more. Text separator is the name of the link that this is going to be. The text separator will be the link. It won't actually link to anything, but it's just a parent item. So I put my menu item type there by selecting text separator. The menu title is going to be links. For you, it would be whatever you wanted it to be. It could be about, and underneath of about you'd have church history, pastor bio, your statement of faith, anything you want to put there. It could be ministries, and underneath ministries you could have children's ministry, seniors ministry, prison ministry, whatever you wanted to do. For us, the menu title is links. We'll leave the alias field blank, and the parent item will remain menu item root. I get this done, I'm going to click save and new. That will save this menu, and then it will create, whoops, I need to change my alias. There. Usually you do not have to change your alias, but to be honest with you, that link was already in the site. I had deleted it so that there was already an alias there with links, so I just made a new alias with links too. That's how you can get past that problem. So I saved that one. Let's go back out to the front end. I'm going to refresh, reload, and there is our links parent item. Now I click on that, nothing happens, which is what we want to have happen. Now what we need to go and do is we create the new Twitter feed, Facebook, and online store link here. And just to say this is not an online store that Kingdom has provided. This is an online store that this church has and already had, and they wanted to do that. There's the Twitter feed and there's the Facebook page. But back to the church site. We're going to create those 3 sub-menu items there. Now these, the menu item type, click select, and you'll come back down here to system links, scroll down again, and these will be external URLs. Choose external URL. The first one that we're going to do is going to be the Twitter feed. Oops, excuse me. The link goes here. The menu title is Twitter. That goes there. The link, all you need to do is go up here to the actual site that you want to link to, highlight and copy this URL, bring it back in, and paste it in for the link. Two more things that we want to do. We want to go to the parent item, and instead of menu item root, we want to scroll down, and it will be on links. The parent item will be links. So I just clicked here and scrolled down to links. Okay. The last thing that we want to do, we want to change the target window. If we leave this link here and leave the target window as parent, when somebody clicks on that Twitter feed, the Twitter will show up in the same window, in the same tab as what the website is. I don't want to do that. I want to have it open up in a new tab, in a new window. So I'm going to target window. I'm going to change that to new window with navigation. Let's save that. And we will go out to the home page and take a look to see what our change is. Okay, so we still have our list there. Now when we hover over that, look, there's our Twitter. When I click on this, open up in a new window. Right there, it just opened up. Perfect. So now what we need to do is create our other two links. Created the Twitter feed. I'm going to get rid of that one. Let's do the Facebook one next. So back to the site. Back to the back end. This is our Twitter feed link. I've closed this. We already saved it. And I'm going to go to New. Menu I type. If you remember, this will be under System Links at the bottom. Clicking here, scrolling down again, and going to External URL. The link is going to be the Facebook page URL. We'll paste that in there. And the title will be Facebook or Facebook page. The parent item, we're going to change that to links. The target window, we're going to change that to new window with navigation. I could just save, and that would save it, keep me on this screen. I could click save and close, and that would save it and take me back to the menu manager. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click save and new, and that will save it and jump me right to the screen where I can create a new link. I know I needed to create a new one anyway, so I took that shortcut. This menu item type is going to be, again, for the external link. We come over here, scroll down, go to System Links, click on External Link. The link will be for the Facebook page. And the menu title. No, excuse me, I'm wrong. It's not for the Facebook page. This was the one for the store. So we're going to highlight the one for the store, copy that, bring that down here, paste that in here, and we're going to call this Inspirational Books Online. It's already there, so Inspirational Books Online. Scroll down here. The parent item will be links. We're going to open this in a new window with navigation and click save and close. I don't have any more to do. I'm done. And we'll come back out here to the front of the site. We'll click reload and refresh. While those are reloading and refreshing, we'll delete these. This is fully reloaded and refreshed. There is our Twitter, our Facebook page, and our Inspirational Books Online. We already checked the Twitter, so let's check the Facebook. Open it in a new window. Here's the Facebook page. We'll bounce back to here, and then we will check this link one more time. Hey, it works. Okay, that is the training for today. Take care. God bless.